A century of change, animals in a new world. The world is changing. Temperatures are rising, cities are sprawling, and animals are adapting. Over the next century, we can expect to see dramatic changes in the animal kingdom. Some species will thrive, others will struggle. A few may even disappear. Evolution is a slow process, but it is constant. Over millions of years, animals have adapted to countless challenges. The challenges of the next century will be no different. Animals will need to adapt to climate change, habitat loss, and pollution. Those that can adapt will survive. Those that cannot will perish. The future of animal evolution is uncertain, but it is sure to be fascinating. In the coming decades, we will witness the emergence of new species, the extinction of old ones, and the remarkable adaptation of countless others. The animal kingdom is on the cusp of a new era, and we are fortunate to be alive to witness it. Adapting to a warming world. Climate change champions. Climate change is already having a profound impact on the natural world. As temperatures rise and weather patterns become more extreme, animals are being forced to adapt or die. Polar bears, for example, are struggling to survive as the Arctic ice melts. With less ice on which to hunt seals, polar bears are being forced to spend more time on land, where they are more vulnerable to starvation and conflict with humans. Some scientists believe that polar bears may eventually become extinct in the wild. Birds are also being affected by climate change. As temperatures rise, many bird species are shifting their ranges northward in search of cooler climates. This is leading to changes in migration patterns and breeding cycles. In some cases, it is even leading to the hybridization of different bird species. The challenges posed by climate change are significant, but animals are resilient creatures, and many species are already showing remarkable signs of adaptation. City slickers. Animals thriving in urban jungles. As cities continue to grow and expand, they are encroaching on the habitats of countless animal species. But while some animals struggle to survive in urban environments, others are thriving. Raccoons, for example, are highly adaptable creatures that have learned to thrive in cities. They are opportunistic feeders that will eat just about anything they can find, including garbage, pet food, and birdseed. Raccoons are also very intelligent animals that are skilled at navigating urban environments. Pigeons are another example of an animal that has successfully adapted to city life. Pigeons are social birds that live in flocks. They're also very good at finding food and shelter in urban areas. Pigeons have even evolved to have shorter wings, which makes them more maneuverable in flight and better suited to navigating the concrete canyons of cities. The ability of animals to adapt to urban environments is a testament to their resilience and adaptability. As cities continue to grow, we can expect to see even more animals making their homes in these concrete jungles. Mixing it up, the rise of hybrid animals. Hybridization occurs when two different species interbreed, producing offspring that share characteristics of both parents. Hybridization is a natural process that has been occurring for millions of years. One of the most well-known examples of a hybrid animal is the mule, which is the offspring of a male donkey and a female horse. Mules are strong, hardy animals that have been used for centuries as working animals. In recent years, there has been an increase in the number of hybrid animals being reported in the wild. This is likely due to a number of factors, including habitat loss, climate change, and the introduction of non-native species. One example of a hybrid animal that is becoming increasingly common is the Pizzly bear, which is the offspring of a polar bear and a grizzly bear. Pizzly bears have been spotted in the Canadian Arctic, where the ranges of polar bears and grizzly bears are overlapping due to climate change. Hybridization can be a positive force in evolution, as it can introduce new genes and traits into a population. However, hybridization can also lead to the extinction of species, as it can dilute the gene pool and make it more difficult for a species to adapt to changing conditions. Section 5. Technology and nature, a new era of evolution. Technology is rapidly changing the world around us, and as technology advances, it is starting to have a profound impact on the evolution of animals. One way in which technology is influencing animal evolution is through the development of new materials and devices that are being used to enhance the abilities of animals. For example, scientists are developing prosthetic limbs for animals that have lost limbs due to injury or disease. These prosthetic limbs are becoming increasingly sophisticated and lifelike, allowing animals to regain much of their lost mobility. Technology is also being used to track and monitor animals in the wild. Scientists are using GPS collars, drones, and other technologies to study animal behavior, migration patterns, and population dynamics. This information is helping scientists to better understand the challenges facing animals in the wild and to develop conservation strategies to protect them. The intersection of technology and nature is creating exciting new possibilities for the future of animal evolution. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative ways in which it is being used to study, protect, and even enhance animals. Section 6. Big or small, the future of animal size. The size of animals is influenced by a variety of factors, including food availability, predation pressure, and climate. As the environment changes, the size of animals is likely to change as well. Some scientists believe that climate change could lead to a decrease in the size of some animals. This is because smaller animals have a higher surface area to volume ratio, which allows them to lose heat more efficiently. In a warmer world, smaller animals may be better able to regulate their body temperature and survive. Other scientists believe that climate change could lead to an increase in the size of some animals. This is because larger animals have an advantage in colder climates as they have a lower surface area to volume ratio and can conserve heat more effectively. In a colder world, larger animals may be better able to survive. The future of animal size is uncertain, but it is likely that we will see both increases and decreases in the size of different animal species as the environment continues to change. Section 7. A riot of colors, the evolution of animal appearance. The colors and patterns of animals are often adaptations that help them to survive in their environment. For example, camouflage helps animals to avoid predators, while bright colors can be used to attract mates. As the environment changes, the appearance of animals is likely to change as well. For example, as the climate warms, some animals may evolve to have lighter coloration, which would help them to reflect more sunlight and stay cooler. Other animals may evolve to have more elaborate patterns, such as stripes or spots, which could help them to blend in with their surroundings and avoid predators. The evolution of animal appearance is a fascinating and complex process. As the environment continues to change, we can expect to see a wide range of new and innovative adaptations in the colors and patterns of animals. Section 8. Speaking the language of the future, animal communication. Animals communicate with each other in a variety of ways, including through sound, scent, and body language. As the environment changes, the ways in which animals communicate are likely to change as well. For example, as noise pollution increases, some animals may evolve to communicate at higher frequencies or to use visual signals more often. Other animals may evolve to be more sensitive to changes in air pressure or vibrations in the ground, which could help them to detect predators or prey from farther away. The evolution of animal communication is an area of ongoing research. As scientists learn more about how animals communicate, we can gain a better understanding of their behavior and how they are adapting to a changing world. Section 9. Intelligent life, the rise of animal minds. Intelligence is a complex trait that is difficult to define. However, it is generally agreed that intelligence involves the ability to learn, solve problems, and adapt to new situations. Some animals, such as primates, dolphins, and crows, are known for their high levels of intelligence. These animals have demonstrated the ability to use tools, solve complex problems, and even recognize themselves in mirrors. As the environment changes, animals that are able to learn and adapt quickly may have an advantage. This could lead to the evolution of even more intelligent animals in the future. The evolution of animal intelligence is a fascinating and potentially far-reaching topic. As we learn more about the intelligence of animals, we may gain a better understanding of our own place in the natural world. Section 10. The human factor. Our role in animal evolution. Humans are having a profound impact on the evolution of animals. Through our activities, we are altering the environment in ways that are forcing animals to adapt or die. Climate change, habitat loss, and pollution are just a few of the ways in which humans are driving animal evolution. As the human population continues to grow and our impact on the environment intensifies, we can expect to see even more dramatic changes in the animal kingdom in the years to come. However, humans also have the potential to play a positive role in animal evolution. Through conservation efforts, we can help to protect endangered species and their habitats. We can also work to reduce our impact on the environment and create a more sustainable future for all living things. The future of animal evolution is inextricably linked to our own. The choices we make today will determine the fate of countless species for generations to come. Section 11, a glimpse into the future, a world transformed. Over the next century, the animal kingdom is poised to undergo a period of profound transformation. Driven by climate change, habitat loss, and the ever-evolving dance between species, the creatures we share this planet with will adapt, evolve, and perhaps even vanish. Imagine a world where cities teem with creatures uniquely adapted to urban life. where the skies are filled with birds sporting new and vibrant plumage, and where the depths of the ocean conceal creatures unlike any we see today. This future, while uncertain, holds the promise of extraordinary adaptations, stunning biodiversity, and a planet forever reshaped by the unstoppable forces of evolution. As we look to the future, one thing is certain: the animal kingdom will continue to surprise and amaze us with its resilience, adaptability, and sheer diversity of life. It is our responsibility to ensure that future generations have the opportunity to witness the wonders of the natural world and to marvel at the never-ending story of evolution. Pause 3S, Section 12, Coexistence and Symbiosis. As we envision the future of our planet, one of the most compelling aspects is the potential for new forms of coexistence and symbiosis between humans and animals. Imagine a world where urban environments are not just human-centric but designed to support and nurture wildlife. Picture green rooftops that serve as habitats for birds and insects, buildings with integrated beehives, and parks that are sanctuaries for urban-adapted species. Furthermore, the advancements in technology could lead to breakthroughs in understanding animal communication, allowing us to forge deeper connections with the creatures we share our world with. We could see the rise of collaborative ecosystems where human ingenuity and animal instinct blend seamlessly, creating environments that are beneficial for all living beings. This vision of the future is not just about survival, but about thriving together. It's about creating a world where every species has a place and a purpose, where biodiversity is celebrated and preserved. As we move forward, our choices will shape this future. By embracing a mindset of coexistence and symbiosis, we can ensure a thriving planet for generations to come. What do you think of these animal adaptations? Which one surprised you the most? Leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe to Future Vibe for more insights into our ever-changing world.